telling the viewers, we're not gonna rage. We're not gonna rage, hey. Oh. My heart's beating so quick. I for some reason just want to rage so badly. I can't because of you. I can't rage. What the heck are you talking about? Where is it? Is it on Google? Fortnite tracker. Wait, and then in Fortnite tracker, what do you type up? That's readable than more. I'm just gonna do most killed. I'm doing most kills. Is this fishy? This guy has 9,708 wins. Wait. Oh, we're in game, guys. We're in game.
这种题给完了。
Yeah, I'm making a video. We're inside now, guys. Guys, we're inside.
300 meters.
I never knew that.
This is 8,889.
The most person with the most kills I saw has 9,000 wins. I don't know. I'm just going where. Okay.
And
then at the planes.
Man, teach me sleep.
308,000 meters.
Sleep.
Wait, is there the maximum 3 planes? Oh, dang it.
308,000 maximum 182 trillion.
I dibs this one. I digs.
And here to all the way down speed, it's infinity and 50,000.
Can I get the loot?
339. Okay? So, and for
this is the worst loot. It's all just mess. Literally, everything I have now is just mess.
130, 100, infinity, and 30, 100.
I'm actually about to rage, but this, I'm not gonna rage, but I'm just mad. I'm just so mad.
30,089 to
Hacker! Please! My favorite! I never tried these! Whoa!
And here, the air to all the way to sun.
How'd you... Oh, that's how you... Oh!
130 trillion, 130,000, 389 billion.
Oh no! We need to press jump to go up. Wait. Let me just read. Jump to boost.
You know that? That's not
Z to roll.
that much. That much.
3 lock.
Now that.
I don't have anything. I'm innocent. Take my potions. I'm innocent. Yeah. Oh no! kill somebody finally, you idiot. I was actually shooting his butt. I even gave him a potion he declared. A potion, mate. Five, four. Oh wait, yeah, they can't hear what you said. They said I was raging. And that was not raging. I was scared. Oh my god! It was just a bullet plane! I flipped it! I'm the worst shiner. Bye! Oh wait, TK's. I'm gonna. Hunter's left alone. There! There! Pee on me, TK! Pee on me! Imagine if someone was there and then pee just fell onto their face. Look at that. Oh no! Oh no! I just some reason wanted to sacrifice my life for Hunter and help him feel like how he is. And then TK came and... Wow! The plane just broke! And now we're stranded on a building with no plane. Yeah, he made us go upside down. It was fun. It was fun. To rescue your dad from crashing the plane. I'm trying to get off those gates. I did. Chilies! Oh, spicy. Oh, now we're leaving your dad. How we left Hunter. Hunter, is it because he broke the plane, the last plane? Is that why you're leaving him? I'm leaving this plane. 'Cause it's crashing. Bye. Oh. Oh! I wasted my ammo. Imagine it was the last player and we rage. If we rage, we have to die. Imagine it was the last player and we rage. I'll just leave. Oh. Corn? You mean corn? Oh. What? Console player. Oh, I thought you guys were gonna pick okay, yeah, now I'm the one who's left out. And then the last one will be TK to be left out. No! TK is the only one who hasn't been left out. with your pee. How does it? Where is it? Whoa, you broke it. It flipped upside down. It isn't my fault. You know, if one person rages, we have to go, right? We have to. You know, if one person rages, we have to go, right? TK. You know, if one person rages, all of us has to die, right? And you're kind of making me want to rage. Somebody's here. I'm getting out. Oh, Slimer! Oh! No! I got it. Hey! Oh no. I'm leaving him. Now I'm killing him. Why does everybody want to leave me out? Everybody feels like they want to leave me. I killed 3 people. You know what? I'm taking my med kit back. This is impossible. My kill thingy, it says all of us have 9 in total. Has 9. So, no, I said 3. I have 3. I seriously have 3. The viewers can already see mine. It's legitimately on 3. Oh, I'm catching up on you, TK. I need one more to tie up. And I find this play. Not my fault. Oh, you saw the portal? Where is it? Oh, I see it. I'm gonna melt and stand for it. I'm literally running.